Today we're going to be showing you about the Xylea cores. As you can see, it's an expandable wood core, and you can determine the size or the strength that you want to put in each panel. It comes in different sizes. It's flexible. This one's 1 3/4 inches. This one's 5.5 inches thick. For our Xylea decking, we have 2.5 inches, and of course, in the 16 foot, they come up to 16 feet as well. This one's 3/4 of an inch. See? All strong, they're straight, and they're light. You can see, I mean, I'm 160 pounds, and if you get down, you can see how much it will bend a little bit lower. You can see, like, a regular piece of plywood would never hold on this. And the Xylea core is strong because of the elongated cells. The reason it's called Xylea is because Xylea would replicate much what Mother Nature does with the balsa tree. Actually, Boeing used the balsa trees to create their airplane wings when they first started out. So, through a microscope, basically, this is what a Xylea plant would look like. That's it for now. This is our Xylea cores. Thank you for watching our video.